This summer, some of the Creative Arts Middle School team, or as we call them, CAMS, came to Miss McIntosh's house to have a kitty cat party. You'll see what we mean by that. The CAMS team was supervised by Miss McIntosh's children, Miss Squirrel, and Mr. Geronimo. Okay, now we need some color art paint.
She was outside. So who needed the pink? She was an outside cat.
I don't know who needs pink.
She was an outside cat. So she was an outside cat, and like 2 weeks later, we found out that she.
I think we all had a great time, but we didn't realize that we were going to run out of time quite as fast as we did. So not all the kitty cats are finished, and I think maybe all of them need just a little bit more, maybe more layers. One of the things that I learned as the art teacher is that that fence was so dry that I should have used a base coat of gesso under it before the girls started. The fence just drank the paint, so it took us a lot longer than we expected. In fact, I did a cat kind of in between taking pictures, and the fence just swallowed my paint. I didn't have time to get hardly any color on the fence. I'll show you at the end of the video here. Fortunately, I have been given time to teach a CAMS class right in the school day. So I will be adding students. We are hoping to add some young men to our team this year, but I will be adding students as each trimester goes on. We already have some new ladies that have joined us. We're learning to not only art techniques, but we're also learning how to edit videos and other things that go along with being a design team. There's my little kitten. Isn't he pathetic? That's about 4 coats of paint, and I never did get enough paint on. Okay, so my little cats are all tuckered out from all their teaching. But you know, I have an awful lot of backyard left. I'm going to take you out in the backyard and show you. So we're going to have another kitty cat party. I want the girls to come back and finish the cats that they've started and add tons more to my backyard. We're going to have cats everywhere.